gets warmer, spring cleaning just around the corner.
And Chrissy Van was out in Langley earlier this week to learn of some helpful tips to make the seasonal refresh easier.
The team at Centra Windows this morning has been putting me through the paces with some spring cleaning. We know the season is approaching and we've gotten the windows shining bright. But what about the screens? Because Robin, I understand dirt can be an issue. So can we remove them? Should we leave them in place? What's the plan with these?
Definitely need to remove the screens to clean them. And with our screens, we actually attach nice clip to the actual screens now. So essentially, you're not crawling around the ground trying to find those broken clips from your old aluminum windows.
And so what do you recommend then for cleaning the screen?
Just once again, soap and water is your best thing to clean those screens.
And although we're getting the cleaning done, some people may have noticed through the cold winter months, things aren't running as efficiently when it comes to their windows. So what would you recommend as we're traveling through the spring season?
Well, give us a call. You know, we are professionals windows. We call ourselves window geeks. So, you know, if you have any questions, you're not sure what you have and what you need to do, we'd love to give you some guidance on what you can do for your new windows.
And I know that you provide those free in-home consultations, but the question is, you're a window geek, Robin, but do you also love to clean windows? Because you keep putting me to work.
You're doing such a great job.
Well, there we go, spring cleaning.